remember yesterday we did drip crayon experiment. It was a mess. And we have lots of leftover crayons. Today, we're going to do a more kid-friendly and less messy version. What we need is some crayons. We collected yesterday's leftovers. I sorted them and crushed them and grated them into small pieces. We sorted them according to their color tones. So we have here a light color, red and pink and yellow, green and blue, and the dark brown. We also need some parchment paper. We need 2 papers each and iron. We're going to scoop up some crushed crayons and put them on one parchment paper. You can put any shape or any combination you want. After you are done, you can cover it with the other parchment paper and use the iron to melt the crayons underneath and see what happens. If you don't have an iron, you can also use the oven to bake it until it's melted. After it cools down, the 2 pieces of parchment paper should be stuck together with colorful crayons in the middle. And you can cut out some shapes and you can make a sun catcher or some decoration with it. Okay, now let's start.
Yeah. Now red and blue. No, red and pink. Over here. Mommy, look at this butterfly.
And then you can lift it and see what's going on.
It's done.
Okay, it's done. When it comes to the little children, we need to make sure that it's under adult supervision and they need to know that they cannot touch the hot surface. And we need to also make sure that there is no steam, no water.
Mommy, done?
Look, is it done? Is it all melted?
I want more.
After the crayons are all melted, we can leave it to dry.
I want another one.
Here.
Like people are standing here, blue people.
Do you want to see?
And there's fire here.
I don't know why it's not.
Ooh. It looks like galaxy.
We're also going to try to put the crayons on the canvas and iron it and see what happens. After it cools down, you see the view of the art. After our activity, we still have tons of crayons left. I'm going to fill this tray with the leftover crayons and put it in the oven and let it melt. Make Lego shaped crayons.
Big Lego. Big Lego.